Chiliz cost commonly equivalent to $0.0943 a coin. The present range, 8 cents 10 cents in a significant way. The earlier day close, 10 cents. The change was 0.0067, 6.63%. Backwards rate, USD to CHC. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2023 in opposition to mainstream thinking. At the outset, cost at $0.099. Most extreme cost 11 cents, least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 9 cents. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 9 cents. Change for June 4.0%. CHC to USD expectations for July 2023. To start with, cost at $0.095. Greatest cost 10 cents. Least cost 8 cents. The genuinely normal for the month 9 cents in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 8 cents. Change for July 6.3%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023. Or so they especially thought. In the first place, cost at $0.089. Greatest cost 8 cents. Least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for August 15.7%, which is genuinely critical. CHC to USD expectations for September 2023. To start with, cost at $0.075 in a significant manner. Greatest cost 8 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for September 5.3%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.079 amazingly. Greatest cost 7 cents, in every way that really matters. Least cost 6 cents, or so they thought. The essentially normal for the month 7 cents. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for October 8.9%. CHC to USD expectations for November 2023. Before all else, cost at $0.072. Most extreme cost 7 cents, kind of least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for November 1.4%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.071, which really is very huge. Most extreme cost 8 cents, least cost 7 cents. The kind of normal for the month 7 cents, which is very huge. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 8 cents. Change for December 15.5%. CHC to USD expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.082. Most extreme cost 8 cents. Essentially least cost 6 cents, which is genuinely huge. The normal for the month 7 cents. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for January 15.9% in a significant manner. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. To start with, cost at $0.069. Greatest cost 6 cents, least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 6 cents. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for February 15.9%, which is very huge. CHC to USD expectations for WAC 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.058, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Greatest cost 5 cents, least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 5 cents. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for spring 6.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024, which is very huge. Before all else, cost at $0.054. Greatest cost 6 cents, especially least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 5 cents. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for April 7.4%. CHC to USD expectations for May 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.058. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 5 cents, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The normal for the month 6 cents, which is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for May 15.5%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2024. To start with, cost at $0.067, or so they thought. Most extreme cost 8 cents, especially least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents, which is very huge. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for June 16.4%, which is genuinely huge. CHC to USD expectations for July 2025. At the outset, cost at $0.050. Most extreme cost 5 cents. least cost 4 cents. The normal for the month 4 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for July 10.0%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027 US dollars to CHZ expectations for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 10.10 Chiliz, which is very critical. Most extreme cost 11.49, certainly least 9.09, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The normal for the month 10.30. The USD to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 10.53, change for June 4.3%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for July 2023. Before all else cost at 10.53 Chiliz. Most extreme cost 12.05, least 9.62. The normal for the month 10.86, the USD to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 11.24, change for July 6.7%, which is very huge. USD to CHZ expectations for August 2023, initially cost at 11.24 Chiliz, most extreme cost 14.29, least 11.24 as opposed to mainstream thinking. The normal for the month 12.53, which explicitly is very huge. The USD to CHZ figure toward the month's end 13.33, change for August 18.6%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 13.33 Chiliz. Greatest cost 13.70. Least 11.76 in a significant manner. The normal for the month 12.86, which is genuinely huge. The USD to CHZ figure toward the month's end 12.66, change for September 5.0%. USD to CHZ expectations for October 2023 in a quite enormous manner. At the outset cost at 12.66 Chiliz. Most extreme cost 14.93, really least 12.66, in spite of mainstream thinking. The normal for the month 13.54. The USD to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 13.89, change for October 9.7%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 13.89 Chiliz. Greatest cost 15.15, especially least 13.16. The especially normal for the month 14.07. The USD to CHZ figure toward the month's end 14.08. Change for November 1.4%. USD to CHZ expectations for December 2023 in a significant manner. Initially cost at 14.08 Chiliz. Most extreme cost 14.08, least 11.36. The really normal for the month 12.93. The USD to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 12.20. Change for December 13.4%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 12.20 Chiliz. Most extreme cost 15.63, least 12.20 in an unobtrusive manner. A sort of normal for the month 13.63, which is genuinely huge. The USD to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 14.49, change for January 18.8%. USD to CHZ expectations for February 2024. In the first place,